Now everyone, I'm actually going to the gym. I decided that I should go to the gym because I didn't go for it today. Yesterday I skipped as well. So I thought while I'm out and about, might go to the gym first and then I will try to do the remaining stuff. So although it's quite mutakhir, quite late at night, but well, here we are vlogging this whole journey, this whole scene. And this is King Abdullah Road, by the way. So we are going to the fitness time, but the one that is at the Olaya View Mall, and it comes out to be almost near the foothills, near the footsteps of the Kingdom Tower. A very beautiful BMW. I don't know which model, but a BMW it is. So it's, I think, I'm not sure which one that is. I couldn't even see. So here we are. A white Changan Eado, it was standing over there, parked, and there they have some towers being made. In the morning, when the sunset is beautiful, this road looks majestic because of these trees, and the sun actually comes up from over there. So it's quite a scene. And then once you turn on to the King Fahad Road, you definitely have the Kingdom Tower, the view of that. So that's also captivating. So right now I'll not speak that much. We'll just try to go to the gym. So got to focus on what I want to do. Hi Changan. Hi Changan.
Good evening.
Please turn off the AC.
Frontal or C is turned off.
this one is fine as well. Or there's one up ahead. Let's put it over here. Mumtaz, let's take out our stuff. Extra 360 box. The Kingdom Tower in front of us, Mumtaz. But I actually forgot the action pod for the camera. Where is it? Oh, come on, guys. Did it fell down or something? Oh, actually here it is. My bad. Wonderful scenes. Our gym bag. It's dusty outside here tonight. Fitness time. Let's scan this. Let's find a locker.